What's up, lawn dogs? Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, we are here today with Miss Elizabeth. That's my macho man. Miss Elizabeth, I love you. Anyway, she's helping me out. We're going to trim some tree branches on my pine trees around here. We're going to use the Craftsman 25cc pole saw. All right, stick around. Let's watch this work.
What's up there, lawn dogs? Just sharpening my blades for the spring season.
All right, lawn dogs, I'm here at Wally World. Have to get a couple groceries, and I'm going to follow the directive of our President of the United States and wear my face mask. Now, this is a SA face mask. I don't know if it qualifies as what he's talking about, but it's all I got, and I don't really care. Honestly, whatever. Oh, we got a little cooking. There we go. That's it. I am Ghost Rider. No? Alright. Let's go get this stuff and go home. I got yard work to do in my house. So this tree is gonna come down. We just got a burn ban, so we can't burn right now, which I don't understand why, but whatever, we do. We're gonna cut this tree down. Not today. That'll be in a video later. So the pine tree is just dying, and we're gonna cut it down. I don't know if you guys can hear me well, but we're gonna cut it down as soon as we can burn it, because this is all I'm gonna throw on this pile, because I don't want to keep throwing wood on this pile. It gets too big. It's gonna make one heck of a fire though. Get some wieners, roast some wieners. Some hot dogs too. Ugh. This little Troy built, I got fixed up. Good little yard tractor. You know, we can mow with it, kids mow with it. Got sharpened blades on it and stuff like that, but little 7-speed pony. My little dump wagon. Yeah. Oh man, the deer we see out in that field at night. I'm gonna try to get my drone on them one of these days. Anyway. Alright, I'll be back. Hey lawn dogs. So I can't work right now, but I figured I'd go out for a drive and walk around some areas. Maybe give a quote or two. So this is an area somebody wants taken care of. I'll turn it around and show you here in a second. It's definitely, it's not a property that is normal grass. So let's see, let's turn this thing around, show you. Alright, so they want this cleared up. It's right on a lake here, but they want to be able to put a camper and stuff on it. I think come through here, once we get it cleared out, it looks like it's totally mobile. We gotta watch for these little potholes here. Obviously we're not gonna cut down all this brush here. Give me 1 second. Alright, sorry about that, back had a phone call. So you can see they're right here on the water's edge, so I have to trim up down here a little bit. I'm not gonna cut down too much of this brush, I don't think. But I want to get this so it's mowable. They want me to quote getting it cleared and then maintaining it the rest of the year. So I don't think it's a problem. Probably gonna have to bring a brush hog in. I don't have one. I have to rent it, but we'll go from there. Yeah, I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know. I'm gonna get this quote typed up and send it out, and then hopefully I do it right, and you guys can tell me what I missed. We'll walk over here real quick. Gotta watch this little swamp area. Solid ground though, it's solid being this close, so I'm not worried about my mower or anything like that. So, yep. Man, if I was them, I'd almost clear that out and make my launching pad right there for the lake. Anyway, all right. Boys waiting in the car, I'm gonna head back. So hey lawn dogs, that's about all the footage I got for you so far. But good news. So I got a client, commercial client for a cemetery, and it's for a certain township here. And they called me saying, you know, hey, we're not going to stand by this. I'm not going to let our cemetery get not mowed or not taken care of during the shutdown. So their lawyer, they contacted their lawyer. Their lawyer is writing up a letter to send me to be able to go take care of that cemetery. So it makes me an essential employee for that place because it's a government building. I told them I won't work it until I get that letter. But he did contact me today, and that is on its way. So as soon as I get it, I'll be heading there to get that spring cleanup and get it ready for season. So that's good news. That's good news. I did lose 2 spring cleanups this week because of people being down. I have one guy had his grandsons off school. They came and did his yard, and the other one was just a guy. He's like, dude, I got all the time in the world. I just did it myself. I still got the mulching job for his beds, and I'm still taking care of his lawn through the summer. It just, lose those spring cleanups kind of hurts. So, it makes me think about this essential employee thing. Like, are we, I know we're not essential here in Michigan, but what about our elderly customers who can't get out and take care of themselves, Can they, it's not good for them to let their yards get overgrown and get, start bringing in bugs and rodents and all that stuff. So, I don't know. I hope we become essential soon. I know there's a petition going around here in Michigan, and we'll see. We'll see. I'm hoping I can get out and get these stuff done. But either way, I have contacted my customers, and they all understand for the most part. They're pretty good about it. I told them no matter what, once we get back to working, we'll get caught back up. I'll be pulling 7 days a week until we're caught up. That's just the way it's going to be, and they all understand. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. What else? In a couple videos from now, I don't know if it's going to be 1, 2, 3. It won't be this Sunday, but I'm going to be making a pretty big announcement on a project I'm working on. It's for a good cause. Put it this way, I went out and got another EIN number for it. It's a nonprofit thing, but I'm gonna put it out there to you guys because it involves you, the YouTube lawn care community. Some of you guys might already know it. If you do, please don't spill the beans yet. Yeah, watch for that video. It'll come. I don't know when. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna announce it. But it'll come out in the next week or so, or not next week or so. I'm an idiot. And a few videos from now. Yeah, so watch out for that. I know this video's short, but that's okay. You got a lot of footage. You gotta give the audience what they want, or what you got anyway. So, but yeah, there it is. Well, that's it for now. Look forward to Sunday's video. Don't know what I'm recording. Today's Thursday, so I don't have a lot of time. Hopefully we can get something done. I can show you something. I gotta skip a video, I'll let you know. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give a thumbs up, thumbs down, hit that bell. Check me out Mondays and Wednesday mornings, Lawn Dog Coffee at 9 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Time. It's a live chat, Mondays and Wednesdays. 9. Once we get released, that time will change, but I'll let you know then. But yeah, do those things for me. Help me grow. Share it. Tell your friends. Write your grandma. I don't care. All right, hey, always give maximum effort. Go make that green. And be kind to everyone. It's Floyd. I'm out. We'll see ya.